What's up, everybody? It is a day 12, and what I thought I would do today was just show you what I'm using to track all of my calories. So here we go. The app that I use to track all of the calories and everything is Lose It, and I will show you. So this is the this is Friday. So as you can see here, this is what I had for breakfast. Snacks, didn't have any. Lunch, afternoon snacks, dinner, evening calories. So I use the Apple Watch. It tracks all of my workouts, my double workouts. I record my weight every day, which I know some people say you're not supposed to, but I get my water in, so I track how much water I'm drinking. This automatically calculates all of my steps, and then what's cool is you can look at your goals. So I can see that I am down to 234.6 for my weight, and you can see my water intake. This day's not done yet, but generally I am right there at the 128 ounces. You can see my exercise calories. So my weekly exercise calories are around 12,000. My exercise minutes around 858, and steps, so on and so forth. So this actually tells you quite a bit. And then if you look at your log, you can go back to each day, so on and so forth, and see what kind of things that you've improved or need to improve on. And then up here at the top, you can see that for the week, I am 12,817 calories under my allowed amount, which you see the budget, which is 2,107 per day. And my food intake was around 1,800. My exercise was 1,660. And so I was actually under 1,900 calories for the day based off the number of calories I was burning and the number of calories that I was allotted. So so that just is a pretty good sort of indicator. And then I can do this, and it gives me my macronutrients. So I can see that 32% of my calories were from fat, 52 from carbs, and 16% from protein. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much it. And then when I go to log food, there's a barcode scanner here, so I can actually scan a barcode, and it automatically uploads everything. I'm generally trying to eat some of the same things so that I don't have to be putting in new foods all of the time. But you can see that there's a ton of different foods in here. You can look at meals. You can see all the meals that I've eaten, and you can search by like you can just put in like breakfast, and it will pull all of these things for food. So it's just a great way, once you actually start seeing the amount of calories that you're taking in each day, it really does start to paint a picture about what you're eating. And so anyway, this is what I use. Just wanted to share that with you. Alright, so day 12 is in the books, and hope you got something out of that app. I know there's a bunch of different ones out there. MyFitnessPal is another one. I just happened to use Lose It. I don't really know why I picked that one. I don't know if it just came up on my phone and I selected it. It seemed to be easy to use, and I like it. So, and it's relatively inexpensive. I know compared to MyFitnessPal, it's a little bit cheaper. So because I did upgrade so that I can do more things with it. The free version also works pretty well. But anyway, see you tomorrow.